So today we will learn subtraction of algebraic expressions. Now you know what are algebraic expressions? Expressions of the form ax square plus bxy plus c can be called algebraic expressions, wherein variables are used and a, b, c can be numeric values. So we can have 7x square, we can have 6xy, or maybe we have 3x square y also, and we have 5. It can have a negative term also. So this is my first algebraic expression. Let's write some more algebraic expressions. How many terms it has? 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 terms. The first term has 7 as the numeric coefficient, x square as the literal coefficient. Second term has 6 as the numeric coefficient and x and y as the literal coefficient. Third term has 3 as the numeric coefficient, x square y as the literal coefficient. And the fourth term is simple, a number 5. So let's have another algebraic expression. Let's have 5x square. And let's have 3xy as the second term. And maybe we have 2x square y as the third term. And we have plus 7 as the fourth term. So now if we are subtracting the second expression from the first one, how do we write? In the horizontal way of subtraction, we write it like this. This is a sign of subtraction. Now the rule is whenever there is a minus sign in front of the bracket. So when we open the bracket, all the signs inside the bracket will reverse. So if 5x square is a positive number, it is plus 5x square. On opening the bracket, it will be minus 5x square. Minus 3xy is a negative number. So on opening the bracket, it will become minus and minus, it will become plus. So minus sign will reverse to plus and plus sign will reverse to minus. Again, this is a minus sign. So on opening the bracket, it will reverse to plus. This is a plus sign. On opening the bracket, it will reverse to minus. This happens only when there is a minus sign in front of the bracket. So let's do, and we will write the like terms together. What are, first write, open the brackets. Now the sign will reverse. Now we have to write the like terms together. What are like terms? Like terms are the terms whose literal coefficients are same. First term has a literal coefficient x square. This term has a literal coefficient x square. So they will be written together like neighbors. The second term is 6xy. Do we have another term of xy? Yes. So we write it together. Then 3x square y. And do we have x square y? Yes. Then plus 5 and minus. Now we will do the operation when the terms have literal coefficients same. So we will just copy the literal coefficient and we will work with the numbers. So 7 minus 5 is 2. So this can be written as 2x square. Now xy, the literal coefficients are same. So just copy. And both are positive. So the numbers will be added. 6 plus 3 is 9. So this can be written as 9x square. Then x square y, the literal coefficients are same. Copy it. Now 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5x square y. And now we are left with the numbers 5 minus 7. So 5 minus 7 is minus 2 and we know it with the integers. So our answer is going to be 2x square plus 9xy plus 5x square y minus 2, and this is going to be the answer. If we are doing the same question by vertical method, this was horizontal subtraction. Now we will do vertical subtraction. Now, when you are doing vertical subtraction, you have to just write both the terms. The question is subtract the second term from the first term. Second algebraic expression from the first algebraic expression. So, which number will be written on the top? First algebraic expression will be written on the top. And just below it will be written the second algebraic expression. But we have to keep in mind that we write the similar literal coefficients one below each other. So below 7x square, what we will write? 5x square. Below 6xy, what we will write? Minus 3xy. Below 3x square y, what we will write? Minus 2x square y. And below 5, what we will write? Plus 7. Now, in the vertical subtraction, the next step is changing of sign. You remember, in the horizontal subtraction, negative sign was placed in front of the bracket. So, the sign of the second algebraic expression was changed. Here also, the sign of the second algebraic expression will be changed. And we will work with the changed sign. So plus 5x square will become minus, and minus 3xy will become plus, and minus 2x square y will become plus, and plus 7 will become minus. So now when we are working, we will not work with 7 and positive 7 and positive 5. We will work with positive 7 and negative 5 because the sign of 5 has been changed. So it will be plus 7 minus 5. How much it is? 2. And the literal coefficient has to be copied. Similarly, now minus 3xy has become plus 3xy. So now we will not work with minus 3xy. We will work with plus 3xy. So xy is the same literal coefficient. Just copy it. Plus 6 and plus 3 is how much? Plus 9. So just write it. Then x square y is the next literal coefficient. The sign has changed to positive. It is no more minus 2x square y. It is plus 2x square y. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So the answer is plus 5x square y. And 5 and minus 7 is minus 2. So my answer is 2x square plus 9xy plus 5x square y minus 2. Now you see, whether you add it horizontally or you add it vertically, the answers are same. I hope you have understood. Try to solve some more questions and then you can practice more. Thank you.